Welcome to online video training for the CTI Workbench Integrated Development Environment. Installing Workbench on a PC. Running time, 2 minutes. To install Workbench, first go to the CTI website at www.controltechnology.com. You will need to log in, using your CTI website credentials, or register, if you have not done so previously. Click on the Downloads tab. Scroll down to the Workbench section and click Latest Software. The installer will download to your PC. Click the downloaded file to start the installation. The installer will unpack and start the installation. Click Next to begin. Read and accept the license agreement. Choose the program and data installation locations. The installation process takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. Here, we've speeded it up to make the video shorter. When complete, close the installer. Now we're ready to run Workbench.